Kibwezi West MP Mwengi Mutuse breaks silence after hosting 1,000 pastors beginning 2026 with God. Kibwezi West Member of Parliament Mwengi Mutise hosted over 1,000 pastors from across his constituency for a moving Thanksgiving and dedication ceremony on January 2nd, 2026 in a powerful display of faith and unity. The event, held in a show of gratitude and spiritual commitment, marked the MP's resolute determination to begin the new year by placing God at the center of leadership and governance. In his address, Mutuse acknowledged the critical role that God plays in democratic governance, referencing the preamble to Kenya Constitution 2010, which affirms the supremacy of God. The MP speech, which resonated deeply with the clergy, outlined his progress and vision for the constituency since his election in August 2022. Subscribe EBK for more information.